What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the world's greatest cooking show. I am the world's greatest chef, Chef Ooh Woo. And today we're going to be learning how to make the world's greatest ribeye steak. Yes. Now, before we get into this video, you need ribeye steak. You're gonna need a smidgen of olive oil, and then of course you're gonna need some seasoning. And as you guys watch this channel, you'll learn quickly that I love rosemary garlic. I also have roasted garlic as well as sea salt, all in this bowl mixed together. Then we have the olive oil, we have your steaks. You want to tenderize your steak. Actually, I tenderized it already. I did so in the pack. Take a look. Take the olive oil. I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna add a little bit on the top. And now we're gonna get right in. Make sure you wash your hands. I've already done that. Make sure you wash your hands. Make sure that oil gets all over the steak. All right. Then we're gonna take the spices and then we're gonna go ahead and generously apply it on top of the steak. Yeah, you wanna be generous when you are seasoning the steak. All right, I've turned the steaks upside down. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So I apply the oil, make sure that you rub it all around. Do not be afraid. Come on, don't be afraid, guys. Rub the oil. Once we're done doing that, we're gonna take the remaining spice and we're just gonna apply it so kindly all over our steak. And now we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for a few hours. I recommend doing it a minimum of 4 hours. Some people do it overnight, which is even better. So if you want to make an excellent steak, start early. This way you know that when you want to cook, it's right around the time that you're hungry and you would like to eat. All right, look at that bad boy. It looks excellent. Now that we got it all seasoned up, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and I'll see you in 4 hours. Welcome back, guys. It's actually 6 hours later. I just removed the steaks from the refrigerator. Will you look at those bad boys? They look amazing. So for this segment, we have a frying pan. All right, so we have some fresh garlic, and all I did was peel it, and I did smash it a little bit so the juices and the flavors trapped within can escape and dance with the steak. And then we have a stick of butter. We're gonna be placing half of that initially into the pan, and then we'll drop our steaks in. As we're cooking, we'll drop in the other half. So that's kind of how we're gonna do it. Make sure you're following along. Guys, you already know the drill. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know how this turns out for you. Okay, let's go. I went ahead and placed half a stick of butter into the pan. Once the butter start to caramelize and turn brown, and you hear the sizzling sound that you can hear, the steaks are ready to be placed inside the pan. We're gonna go ahead and grab our first steak. We're gonna grab the second steak. There we go. We got both of those bad boys in the pan. Looking scrumptious already. Okay, not quite. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the garlic. And it can kind of fall into the pan wherever it falls. It's gonna be all good. We're also gonna add the other stick of butter. And what's recommended is taking some of those juices that we see, the ones that are on the edge of the pan, just kind of scooping it above and placing it on top of the steak. The steak should be fully marinated with butter and sauce. Flavors, yes. And you're gonna want to constantly take little scoops, pour it on top of the steak. It's almost like you're bathing it in butter, literally, and that's okay. We're all fat. All of us. You too. Okay, look at that. I went ahead and flipped the steaks. So what you're seeing now is the other side that was cooking just a few moments ago. And just like before, you want to continually pour the flavor on top of the steak, never allowing it to dry. That's certainly a no-no. Big violation. Do not ever allow your steak to dry. Now keep in mind, if you use any utensil to touch raw steaks, make sure you wash those bad boys off before using it again. Yes, Chef Uwu wants you to be safe. All right. Let's grab the second one. All right, guys, and I actually went ahead and poured a little bit more of that butter garlic sauce right on top. We're gonna let this sit at least for 5 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it. Here's the wellness check. That's exactly what I'm gonna call it. How well you like your steak. You're gonna take your pointer finger and your thumb. You're gonna hold it. Start off with this finger and you're gonna work it all the way down to your pinky. So you're gonna hold it together, this area right here. This is rare. This is how it feels when you're eating a rare steak. Or this is how the steak will feel if you want it rare. Then you're gonna switch over to your middle finger. This is how it's gonna feel if you want it medium rare. Then you're gonna switch over to this finger. This is how it feels if you want it medium well. And finally, to your pinky. This is how it would feel if you want it well done. Rare, medium rare, medium well, and well done. Yes, I'm getting ready to tear this bad boy up. If you guys followed along and learned anything new, make sure you hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below. Let me know, what is your favorite type of steak? Also, how do you like your steak done? Super duper well done? Super duper rare? Straight out the pack? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching as always. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Chef Uwu signing out. Peace.